In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a figure in LaTeX Overleaf. Now this is actually very simple. I have a blank document over here and I'm going to show you as an example how to do it. Now what you want to do is basically go up here to this toolbar and click on these three dots. Now if you have a bigger monitor than me, you may not see those three dots. However, if you do, just click on these and then you will see this kind of image emoji or image icon which says insert figure. Now you may see it up here, as I said, if you have a bigger monitor or better resolution than me, but if you don't, click on three dots and click on insert figure. In here, you can select if you want to upload it from your computer, from project files, from another project, or from URL. These are all the available options, and they're pretty straightforward. I'm going to upload it from computer for this example. You want to click on it, and then I'm going to select it from my computer, click on this thumbnail, open, and then I'm going to keep everything the same. So I'm going to keep the file name the same, the folder location is going to be this one, no folder, and then I'm going to include the caption and include label. The image width can also be changed. You can change it, as you can see, from this to the full width, and then once you're happy, you want to click insert figure, and the figure will be inserted. Now, as you can see, it's visible here on the left, but it isn't visible on the right just yet. You want to click recompile, and in a few seconds, it will add this to your site, to your PDF document. Now, if you want to change it later on, you can always do this by clicking this pen icon here on the left, and you can change the width if you want to include the label or caption, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you can change, or just delete it by clicking this X button over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add a figure in LaTeX Overleaf. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.